For this DIY, I started with 12 plastic plates that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and I separated them into 3 groups of 4. I took them outside and I spray painted each group a different color. I used black, silver, and gold spray paint plus primer. Once my plates were dry, I arranged them into a pattern that I liked. Once I found the pattern that I liked, I used Gorilla Hot Glue on the backs of my plates, and I attached them one on top of the other. Next, I attached small mirrors that I purchased at Amazon using Gorilla Hot Glue to random places on my wall decor. As you can see, every other plate is on top of the other 2 plates. That made it easier to connect each of my plates one to another. I turned my piece over, and I also used Gorilla Hot Glue on the back of my wall decor. To hang my wall decor, I attached a hook to 2 of my plates using Gorilla Hot Glue and masking tape. Once I added my hook, I was all done. Next, I'll show you my finished wall decor. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video or any other video on this channel, you can show your support by using the links in the description box. Or you can like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.